Hello, my name is Aishman Pant. Today I'm making a paper sundial. And like in the olden days, before when clocks and watches were invented, people used sundials. They used the sun shadows to see what the time was. Today we're making the same thing like that. Today we're making a sundial like this one. And this one, it's 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 o'clock. And that is how it is. And these are things you need: ruler, a paper plate, and one pencil. So first, flip over it, and then get the ruler and make a plus line. One plus sign, and the other line. And now write 12, 9, 6, 3, and now write the middle numbers. 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now you need a pencil and poke the hole in the middle. And I'll show you this one. And this is 6. And I'm showing this to you one more time. 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, 12:30, 1 o'clock, 1:30, and that's how it goes. Thank you for watching my episode on how to make a sundial. Thank you for watching this episode. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye.